The second topic will is pronunciation sounds. For example, I.
I. Bike.
This is an example. The I. For example, I, my, bike, smile, nice, tonight. I. Listening, please. And are adjectives, pronouns. I don't know.
I. Bike. I.
My,
My.
by,
Buy.
smile,
Smile.
nice,
Nice.
tonight.
Tonight.
The song is identified of basic and bike. Watch, please. Can you watch, please? Bike. For example, 9 trees, my wife. Hi, Nike. But also, no pronunciation correct is a bike. No, no correct. The correct pronunciation, Nike twice, Mike, why? Hi, Nike, I. Now, fish, E. Listen, please.
I. Fish.
This is an example. E. For example, him,
Him.
it,
It.
his,
His.
ring,
Ring.
finish,
Finish.
and pick.
Pick.
This is E. For example, fish. The correct pronunciation, his, feel, big, swim, these 6. But also incorrect English woman pussy. No, it's incorrect. The correct his, this, feel, 6, big. See? Finally, 3. E. The pronunciation is large. E. Large. Listening, please.
E. Tree.
Is large the pronunciation. E. E. Is large. For example, he,
He.
she,
She.
me,
Me.
meet,
Meet.
read,
Read.
live.
Leave.
This is the large. The sound is large. The vocable E is large. E. E is large. For example, 3. E. Meet, speak, me, we, 3, eat. But also people. Police, no. K, no. And nice, no. This is incorrect and this is correct. The identification, the vocabulary. E, for example, fish. And E, for example, tree. And bike, it's identification. I, this is bike, bike, I. This is the time, this is the second topic, will sounds. Thank you.